You ready? Ready to go? Alright guys, so we are at SCAD and today we're headed to Tybee Island to go surfing. Right here we're parked outside of Bumble. That's the building that I live in, which is part of the Hive. And this is Shawn. He's coming with us to surf. Shawn! Good morning. Are you ready for this?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Alright, so it's a pretty rainy day. We have to drive through downtown Savannah to get to Tybee. Basically, there's not always waves at Tybee Island, but occasionally there is waves. So yes, you can go to SCAD and surf at some point while you're here. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're trying to find out today. Alright, made it to the beach. Oh, I just saw a wave. He's got it. Oh yeah. Alright, so the waves look good. I think I'm gonna be riding my longboard right here. Shawn, are you stoked?
I am so stoked. This is my first time out here.
First time seeing waves out here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out with the GoPro so that you guys can get a few waves with me. And yeah, surfing at SCAD.
The world was on fire, no one saved me but you. Strange, what is that will make people do? I never dreamed that I'm somebody like you. I never dreamed that I'm somebody like you. And I don't wanna fall in love. No, I don't wanna fall in love with you.
Post surf banana. Alright, so I'm back in my dorm. That's probably the smallest I've seen Tybee, but the conditions were clean, so that's really all you can ask for sometimes. Just a quick tour, you know. I do keep my boards in the room, right here in the corner. It is pretty convenient just to be able to grab them, take them downstairs. And plus, I like having them in the room. It's part of me and what I do. And then in here, I have my bodyboard bag under the bed. And down there is where I keep my bodyboard, my wax, my wetsuit. Pretty much everything I need for surfing is down there in that bag. In this video, you guys saw that you can surf at SCAD. Saw what the conditions at Tybee are like and how it is to keep your stuff in the dorms. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.